As you had mentioned earlier, the stock is up about 150% since they IPO'd. I think this is just a little bit of selling on the news initially. However, I wouldn't even be surprised if after the call, which starts at 5 o'clock, the stock doesn't even end up trading up, because we're expecting even more good news on the call in terms of details about customer adoption and more use cases for the Snowflake platform. Huge market opportunity here for these guys.
How are they growing customers, and are they benefiting from all the hype and the positive reception they've gotten on Wall Street?
They are benefiting from the positive hype on Wall Street, but the members that manage this team, Frank Slootman and Mike Scarpelli, along with the founders of the company, these guys are all-star executives. Both the CEO and CFO have had a track record of building sales engines and go-to-market machines, and that's what we're seeing here. So you're going to see the likes of Disney and Home Depot and Nike and government contracts and Viacom and Salesforce all adopting Snowflake technology to leverage the data that's out there that sits in all their kinds of different platforms, whether it be Amazon, whether it be Microsoft, or in their own data centers. And that's what they're really benefiting from. And their go-to-market machine is just getting started.
So, Joel, how far away are we from cloud-based companies being sort of struggling for growth overall in the marketplace, even if Snowflake remains a winner within that? Is the broader space going to grow for the next decade, or have we brought forward a lot of that growth?
We think this is a multi-decade opportunity. Although, there's been a lot of talk about work from home, pulling in, cloud computing, et cetera. If you think about it, there's still a lot of mainframes, a lot of legacy on-prem data centers that are out there, and we think we're probably still in the third inning of this cloud computing paradigm that we're undertaking. We hear a lot about digital transformation, but we're just scratching the surface in terms of being able to leverage the amount of data out there, because frankly, it's in all kinds of different silos, and there's no way to really democratize it until Snowflake came along. And it frankly doesn't matter where the data sits, as long as it's accessible. Snowflake can pull it into their system, and you can analyze it from there. And we think this is a really big differentiator. And we frankly think this will be the fastest company to grow to $5 billion in revenue in the history of software.
A full-throated bullish case there on Snowflake. Joel Fishbein with the $350 price target. Thank you for joining us, fresh off of those earnings.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.